Assalamualaikum and hi to everyone. Welcome to my lesson DBM 20083 Discrete Mathematics Chapter 4 Set Relations and Function. My name is Siti Farah binti Fazil and I'm from Mathematics, Science and Computer Department of Polytechnic Balik Pulau. In this video, you will learn part 2 of Chapter 4 Set Relation and Function, which is Relations. So, properties of relation in directed graph. So, this is an example of directed graph. So, there are three properties in directed graph. So, the first one is reflexive. A relation R on a set A is called reflexive if A in R for all A in A. So, the second one is symmetric. A relation R on a set A is called symmetric if AB in R, then BA in R. And the last one is transitive. A relation R on a set A is called transitive if AB in R and BC in R, then AC in R. So R is not transitive if AB in R and BC, but AC not in R. If there exists no ABC that follows that condition, R is still transitive. So this is the tips for you to remember all the properties. The first one is reflexive. Reflexive means all nodes to itself. In other words, it have a loops. So this is an example of directed graph for reflexive. So if there is 3 nodes, all nodes must have loops like this. Okay, if there is 2 of 3 nodes have loops like this, so this is not a reflexive. Okay, the second one is symmetric. So the easiest way to remember symmetric is two ways or none. None means there is no arrow at all like this. Okay, so two ways. So this one is an example of two ways arrow. So this is an symmetric. So the third one also a symmetric because there is 3 arrow which is two ways arrow. If there is two ways arrow and one way arrow, so this is not a symmetric. Okay, the third one is transitive. So the transitive you have to remember this. If there is AB, BC, then it must have AC. The graph doesn't have transitive if there is AB, BC, but it don't have AC. Otherwise, it transitive. The tips is, first you have to check whether there is a vector or not like this. Okay, so this is the example of vector. So first you have to find out whether it have a vector or not. If it have a vector, so you should check ABC. Okay, so this is an example for transitive. So this one is no arrow at all, so there is no need to check ABC, so it is transitive. Okay, this one, so this one, there is a vector, so this one to this one, this one to this one. Okay, so you have to write ABC, follow the arrow. So you have to check AB, BC and AC. So this one A to B, so ada, B to C ada, so it must have A to C. So this one it has A to C, so it is transitive. Okay, for this one, so this one there is no vector, so it means that this directed graph is transitive. Also for this one, so it doesn't have a vector, so this one also transitive. Okay, this is the special case. If the directed graph have two ways arrow and two loops like this, so this is a transitive. if there is two ways but there is only one loop, so it is not transitive. So you have to remember this one. Okay, next, this is not transitive. So this is an example of not transitive. So if there is A to B, B to C, but there is no A to C, so it is not transitive. Same like this one. So this one is A to B, B to C, but there is C to A. So it is not same as A to C. So it is also not transitive. So this one equivalent relation if there is three properties reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So it is called equivalent relation. This is an example for relations. So first question, consider the following relations on A 1 to 3. Determine whether these relations are reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Hence, determine whether these relations are equivalent relations. So, first kali kita kena draw directed graph. So, soalan A R1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 3, 3, 1. 1, 2 maksudnya daripada 1 ke 2. 1, 2, 2. 2, 1 means 2, 2, 1. Okay, dan seterusnya. So, first kali kita lukis dulu. So, dia akan jadi macam ni. So, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Okey, lepas tu kita tentukan sama ada dia refleksif, symmetric, transitive dan juga equivalent relations. So, untuk refleksif, kita kena check dekat setiap node ni sama ada loops atau tak ada loops. So, case ni tak ada loop, ini tak ada loop, ini tak ada loop. So, dia adalah not reflexive. So, not reflexive. Okay, symmetric. So, none or two ways. Okay, two ways or none. So, dia ada two ways, two ways. So, dia adalah symmetric. Transitive, so kita kena check sama ada anak panah vektor ataupun tidak. So, kalau kat sini ada anak panah vektor. 2 to 1, 1 to 3. So, kita kena check A, B, C. So, kita letak sini A, sini B, sini C. So, A ke B ada, B ke C ada, A ke C tak ada. So, jawapan dia adalah not transitive. Okay, equivalent relation kita kena check sama ada dia reflexive, symmetric dan transitive ataupun tidak. So, dia cuma ada symmetric sahaja, so dia not equivalent relation. Okay, soalan yang kedua. So, yang kedua, 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 2 to 3, 3, 2, 3. So, dia cuma ada satu je anak panah. Okay, reflexive. So, setiap node ni ada loop. So, dia adalah reflexive. Symmetric. So, dia ada one way arrow sahaja. So, dia not symmetric. Transitive. So, transitive kita kena check dulu sama ada dia ada anak panah vektor ke tak ada. So, dalam directed graph ni cuma ada single arrow sahaja. So, dia tak ada anak panah vektor. So, jawapan dia adalah transitive. Equivalent relation. So, not equivalent relation. Okay, soalan C. So, C 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. So, reflexive, so ada. Symmetric, so dia tak ada apa-apa, so jawapan dia adalah symmetric. Transitive, dia tak ada anak panah vektor, so jawapan dia adalah transitive. Equivalent relation, so ada tiga-tiga, so dia adalah equivalent relation. Okay, yang keempat, D. So, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 2. So, reflexive, yes. Symmetric, Yes. Transitive. So, transitive kalau ada macam ni, two ways, so dia mesti ada loop ke kedua-dua belah note dia. So, ada loop, so jawapan dia transitive. Equivalent relation, yes. Next, E. So, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. So, reflexive, not reflexive. Symmetric, not symmetric sebab dia ada one way arrow sahaja. Transitive, so dia tak ada anak panah vektor, so jawapan dia transitive, not equivalent relation. Okay, F 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. So reflexive, not reflexive. Symmetric, not symmetric. Sebab apa? Sebab dia bercampur. Two ways arrow dan juga one way arrow. So dia bercampur, dia not symmetric. Transitive, so kita kena check sama ada anak panah vektor ataupun tidak. So ni anak panah vektor dia 1 ke 2, 2 ke 3. So kita letak sini A, sini B, sini C. So A ke B ada, B ke C ada, A ke C tak ada. So jawapan dia not transitive. So yang ini not equivalent relation. G 1, 1, 2, 2. Okey, walaupun kat sini dia tak ada 3, tapi dalam soalan dia dah sebut siap-siap A, 1, 2, 3. So kita kena lukis siap-siap 1, 2, 3. Okey, lepas tu baru kita tengok dia punya relation dia. Okey, so untuk yang ini not reflexive, symmetric yes, transitive yes, not equivalent relation. Okay, next example. Okay, next example, dia ada 4 note. Consider the following relations on A, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, kita kena lukis 4 note. Okay, dia sebenarnya sama sahaja macam 3 note. Okay. So, yang pertama, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 4. Okay, reflexive. So, kita kena tengoklah sama ada semua note ni ada loops ataupun tak ada. So, yang ini tak ada loop. So, dia not reflexive. Symmetric. So, two ways or none. So, dia ada single arrow. So, dia not symmetric. Transitive. So, kita kena check sama ada anak panah vektor ataupun tidak. So, A ke B. Ni 2 ke 3, 3 ke 4. So, A, B, C. So, yang keempat ni nak tulis apa? Tak payah, abaikan. Jangan pula pergi tulis D. Tak perlu. Okay. A to B ada, B to C ada, A to C ada. So, dia transitive. Equivalent relation, no. Okay, B, 1, 3, 3, 2. Okay, yang keempat tak ada, kena tulis juga sebab dia 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so reflexive, not reflexive. Symmetric, not symmetric sebab dia single arrow. Transitive, so dia ada anak panah vektor. So A, B, C. A to B ada, B to C ada, A to C tak ada. So not transitive, not equivalent relation. Okay, ini pula 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 3, 4, 4. Okay. Reflexive, so yes. Symmetric, yes. Dua-dua ada two ways. So yes. Transitive, so ini dia ada two ways. So dua-dua note kiri kanan dia ada loop. So yes. Yang ini two ways juga, kiri kanan dia ada loop. So yes. Transitive, yes. Equivalent relation, yes. Okay, and the last one, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4. So reflexive, no. Symmetric, no. Transitive. So transitive, kita kena check semua anak panah yang ada. Okey, kita cari dulu anak panah vektor. 1, 2, 4. So A, B, C. So A to B ada, B to C ada, A to C ada. Okey, lepas tu kita tukar pula. Okey, tukar pula supaya kita boleh check anak panah yang lain ni. So kita letak ni A, sini B, sini C. So A to B ada, B to C ada, A to C ada. Okey, ada lagi anak panah yang belum check. So kita ubah lagi. So ubah lagi. So kita letak sini A, sini B, sini C. So A to B ada, B to C ada, A to C ada. So bila dah check semua anak panah ni semuanya transitif. So jawapan dia adalah transitif. Kalau kita jumpa transitif dan not transitif, so jawapan dia adalah not transitif. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.